Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair clipper from TPOB. TPOB gave us X, and then later he gave us XO, the clipper and a trimmer. He wasn't really that satisfied. He gave us another X without the hangy hook, if you can still remember. And now he gave us another X again, and this time it's with a rubber grip, and that's it, with a rubber grip. So today we're gonna unbox this clipper and a trimmer from TPOB, so stay tuned. All right. So these are the one we are talking about right now. And first of all, before all this new X, TPOB gave us these two. Then he gave us this one, and then he gave us this one. On this video, I'm gonna tell you the difference between the X clipper and a trimmer with the older version. Okay, alright, but first of all, let's see what's inside. Okay, the first one we're gonna check the trimmer. Okay, it's written the trimmer got 240 minutes operating time, or metal body. Got a crazy graphene blade with 7,200 RPM brushless motor. Here it's a little bit loud, because people are walking the other side, And yeah, that's it. And the battery, 2,600 milliamp battery. Okay, got the rubber grip, Okay, so inside it looks like this. So in here, okay, here's the manual, the charging dock, the trimmer, and the accessories. The accessories is still the same like the older versions, as you can see, just the same. Okay, so we ain't gonna look at that. So this is what brought us here. Okay, this is the trimmer. Very, very beautiful, man. Charging port, as you can see, and the power button. Okay, and here's the X TPOB logo. Here is the rubber grip, which is really, really genius from TPOB. And here's the crazy blades. Okay, now sound check. Very quiet. It is quiet. Okay, just take a look. The rubber grip, as you can see. Yeah. And now to the clipper. So the clipper got 210 minutes operating time, all metal body steel, and also exo graphene blade, 7,200 RPM brushless motor. Okay, that's good. So the battery got 2,930 milliamp battery. So that's it. And inside you got the manual. Okay, and you got the cartoon steel here, charging dock, the accessories. It's the same like the older version, so you don't really need to look at that. Okay, here's the clipper. Still got a clicking lever. Okay, charging port as usual. Okay, and the power button. It's a little bit different now. That's different. And clicking lever, still 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Okay, the blade, exo blade, and the cutter blade, still the same like the older version. Okay, and I'm gonna compare it with the older version. Now, sound check. Okay, Very quiet also. This is the older version. So I put a crazy blade on this because I've been rocking with this blade for quite some time now, you know, and it's not bad. I have to tell you, it's a tap and go blade. This crazy blade. Okay, so now, as you can see, everything the same. Here is a little bit different. Okay, here, as you can see, here, this place, and the power button is a little bit different because this one got a 210 here, 2, and this one just 1, you know. Yeah, it's actually the same, you know. So here, and here is the EXO. The EXO. So I prefer this one more than the EXO because it's a little bit curved, and this one just straight. Although it got also these grooves here, but still I prefer this one. Both are quiet. Okay. So in case if maybe you want to buy any TPOB products, you can go to the website and you can easily use my discount code ADO15 and get 15% off. I will also leave Amazon link on the description below, so you can buy also from Amazon because it's also on Amazon US. So that's it for the unboxing of this TPOB X Deluxe. Peace, man.